Hello, learners! In the topic of algebraic expressions, today we will talk about the factorization of the expression a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Before starting, if you haven't watched the expansion of a minus b whole squared, you can watch it first by taping the I button. So, our aim in today's video is to determine the factorization of the algebraic expression a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. For this, let's consider the term a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which can be rewritten as aa minus 2 times ab plus bb. Furthermore, we can rewrite it as aa minus ab minus ab plus bb. Now, by carefully observing the first two terms, we get that both terms contains a as their common factor. So, by taking a common from the both terms, we can rewrite it as a times a minus b. Similarly, by observing the last two terms, we get that both terms contains b as their common factor. So, by taking b common along with the minus sign, we can rewrite it as a minus b times b with a minus sign in the middle. As we can see in the next step, both terms contains a minus b as their common factor. So, by taking a minus b common, we get a minus b times a minus b. Hence, we are done with the factorization. At last, we have that a squared minus 2ab plus b squared can be factorized into a minus b times a minus b, which is a fundamental algebraic identity. Now, let us see one application of this identity with the help of an example. The example is asking us to factorize 25x squared minus 20x plus 4 with the help of above identity. We will proceed stepwise. In step 1, we will convert the first term in some power of 2. For this, we will factorize that term, which will yield that 25x squared can be written as 5x whole squared. In the step 2, we will do the same thing but with the last term, which gives that 4 can be written as 2 squared. After performing both the steps, take a as 5x and b as 2 and calculate 2 times ab. We can clearly see that 2 times ab is equal to 20x, which is nothing but the remaining term. Note that we are ignoring the minus sign for the moment because our identity has taken care of that. Hence, our choice is correct. Therefore, 25x squared minus 20x plus 4 is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is same as 5x minus 2 times 5x minus 2. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. We will meet in the next video.